guys, it's Jenny and welcome back to my channel. Yeah. I'm fucking weird, y'all. If you're new here, hello, welcome. My name's Jenny. I post every Monday and Thursday now. Recently, I watched Tati's video with Jessica Alba, and they were trying out her Honest Beauty cosmetics, and it really sold me once they said it's clear makeup. And then I was like, duh, the name's Honest Beauty. Jenny, you're stupid. I don't know why I didn't try this before, but that video convinced me. I'm going to be reviewing the facial oil, the cream foundation, and the cream blush. So if you're interested in my thoughts, let's get on with the video. Okay guys, I am barefaced for the first time ever in my channel, and to be honest, I feel naked, I feel uncomfortable, but we're gonna do the best out of this. So the first thing I'm going to try is the Honest Beauty Organic Beauty Facial Oil. This facial oil is $27.99. It claims to replenish moisture depleted skin, and of course everything from Honest Beauty is clean. To be honest, I did try this already, only because this is part of their skincare and I thought it was important to try it out before I do a fair review on it. It's not like makeup you could just do like a first impressions or like you go along the day wearing it. With skincare, it has to be like a daily thing. So basically, I've been putting this after I put my eye cream, my serum, and my moisturizer, which they are different brands. And then I put, like it says, put 1 to 2 drops on your face and my neck. And to be honest, I feel like my redness has decreased. Like, I don't know if I'm just being crazy or this is a placebo effect, but I honestly feel that I look a little less red. Yes, I still have redness around my nose and my chin, but that's mostly where I have breakouts right now. But where I don't have breakouts, it has cleared up, and it has been ever since I started using this. So I do highly recommend this. I love it. I have also been putting a drop into my Born This Way foundation. Not that that foundation needs it, but I do want to go more for a dewier look and a more moisturizing look for my face. And it has been working out. So enough with the talking. So I just put 2 drops and I warm it up on my skin, and then it just says to dab onto your face. It smells so good, you guys. For some reason, it smells like tea for me. It just smells really good and natural, to be honest. And I love it. Gives me a healthy glow. I'm starting to become a little more confident in my own skin, so that says a lot about this. And since I had a great time with this facial oil, I think I'm just gonna look into their other skincare stuff or even their hair stuff, because I truly enjoyed it. Now for the makeup. This I have been really excited about, and I did not try because I honestly wanted my full-blown first impression review on it. I'm not sure if I got the right color for foundation, but if I didn't, oh well. We're gonna have to make it work. So the Everything Cream Foundation is a cream foundation. I've been looking for a cream foundation only because I've been, like I said, I've been wanting a dewier, more moisturizing look. And just the fact that this is talc free and any like nastiness free is amazing because it's your skin, you know? Especially right now that I'm pregnant, I shouldn't be putting a bunch of chemicals on my skin. This foundation retails for $21.99, so it's not too inexpensive and not too expensive. It says it's buildable coverage. Online I saw that You can work up medium to full coverage, so we'll see. Supposedly it gives you a velvety finish and seamless blendability. So basically it's a demi matte cream foundation, so it's not going to be dewy like I wanted. Another good thing is that these are hypoallergenic, so I don't have to worry. I'm so excited. And this packaging is everything. It feels heavy, it doesn't feel cheap at all. And I also got it in the color linen. It has like a little magnet, so it's not just gonna open on you. You could throw it in your purse if you want. And it has a very cute mirror. You guys see yourself? Say hi. And this is the color. You can put this with a brush or a sponge. Okay, so it did dry on me a little bit since I last opened it, but you can just warm it up with your fingertips. I also saw this other YouTuber put like facial oil on hers, and she said it just brought it back to life. So if that happens, I'll just do that. I'm just gonna dot it on my skin. It smells very natural. Oh, wait. Ew! Hold up. This just reminded me. I'm forgetting a very important thing. I forgot to put primer, y'all. What is wrong with me? I'll be back. Actually, guys, that just gave me a really good idea. Since I have the worst pores in the planet, I'm gonna do one side with pore filling primer and another side without, just so we can test out if it hides your pores. So yeah, things happen for a reason, and this was a reason. Okay, so I'm going to use my NYX pore filler and my infallible glow lock. I have the worst pores here. I'll leave that part, I'll leave it to the test. I also saw that they have a primer. It's like a glow primer, and you know what? I've been eyeing it, and depending how people like this video, I might just do like a second honest beauty review. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back. Oh my god, you guys, it looks so scary. Let's hope that it blends in. I'm not used to cream foundation. Oh my gosh. All I see is holes, and I don't know how I feel about that. It's scaring me, y'all. Oh my gosh, this is showing me how terrible my pores are. Oh my god, when I'm not pregnant, when I give birth, I'm gonna go get a facial, 1,000 facials, because a girl needs to stop this. Ooh. Okay, so off the bat with the pore filler, it looks pretty different. Ooh. I have that thing where like I can't look at holes, y'all, and this is making me get goosebumps off my own skin. And you know what? My husband has the same thing. So if I do like this foundation, I'm just gonna scare him. I'm just gonna put this on and be like, bam! Look at me. Do you let me? You still want to be married? Okay, let's blend this and let's hope that it works. Cause I was really excited. Actually, you know what? With the sponge, it does blend into the pores really well. Like, bye pores. Nobody needs you. Nobody's gonna miss you. Bye. I'm surprised. I think the color linen is just a tad bit too light for me, but that's fine. I'm just gonna use a bronzer. I saw other reviews prior to buying this. Some people said it felt heavy. I honestly feel like it's very lightweight, and I'm totally living. You know what? I'm also gonna go in with my Morphe M439 and, see the tea. You know what? I do like the finish of this foundation. Let's see if it sets or if I have to set it, because it has a very glowy sheen and I'm like living for that, and I hope it doesn't go away. But you know what, y'all? A girl is gonna go in with a second layer. It's get that pore realness again. Oh, my pores are back, y'all. Oh my god. It's really scary when you put it on. And this comes from somebody that has a lot of pores, okay? And it does blend really well. So don't let that scare you. Yes, take away my pores. Oh, it's like magic. So I'm pretty sure all cream foundations probably show a bunch of pores like that at first. And I just didn't know because I've never used a cream foundation. But you know, you live and you learn. Now I'm gonna go in with the blush. This says that it's a blendable sheer cream blush. It's called the Cream Cheek Blush. I got it in the color Coral Peach. It also has a little tiny mirror. This is how it looks. It's very cute and tiny. It's basically the smaller version of the foundation, except this doesn't have the magnetic thing. It just clips. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna use it with the sponge and with the brush. Before I do that, I'm just going to do the rest of my face. So I'm just gonna fast forward. I just want to say I love this little mirror. And it's very easy to blend your concealer with this foundation. Okay, now on to the blush. So on my right side, I'm gonna do it with a sponge. And I'm just gonna... Ooh, this is a pretty color. Oh my god, this is so pretty, y'all. It legit looks like it's just coming from your foundation. It's hard to explain. Okay, so the brush picks up more, of course. And I am fucking living. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is so pretty. I legit feel like a porcelain doll or something. Okay, so now I'm just gonna finish the rest of my makeup and I'll come back with my final thoughts. Okay, so I finished my makeup, and with my finished makeup and everything, it did make the foundation look a little less too white. That, or I think it just oxidized really well. It's probably been like about 15 minutes since I applied the foundation, and let me tell you guys, this is basically the finish that I've been searching for. So a girl is happy. It's demi matte, yes, because it doesn't feel too oily, but it leaves you with a healthy glow. And ooh, this blush, y'all, this blush, I fucking love this blush. Like, if you can get your hands on this blush, like, just do it. Just do it, okay? I literally put it on top of my powder, which people say you're not supposed to do that, but it still looks gorgeous. I love how it looks. Like, I just can't explain how I love it. It gives you like a very flushed, healthy look, and it's still glowy. Like, this makeup is perfect for summer if you want like a glowy, healthy look, or all year round if you just want to change your look up. And like I said, this oil is everything. Like, you freaking need this thing. And like I said, I'm going to definitely try out their other skincare products. And I forgot to say, this foundation comes with 18 shades. I also saw the YouTuber that puts facial oil on hers when it dries up. She uses it as a freaking bronzer, and that is fucking genius. Like, I'm low-key thinking of doing that just so I have a dewy look everywhere, anytime. Ooh, girl, yes. But I am going to come back later on tonight, probably in a few hours, because it is kind of late right now. It's about to be 6. I'll check in the end of the night and let you know if this foundation makes me oily, because I am like oil combination type skin because I do get really oily in my T-zone, but everywhere else I'm starting to get dry patches. I'm just getting old, y'all, but all in all, I am so happy. Okay guys, I'm back and it's 10:45. Basically, I've been wearing this makeup about 4 hours. I know it's not a lot. Basically, what I'm seeing with my skin is that it is pretty oily, but it's only been 4 hours though, so I guess that's not a good thing. If you have oily skin, you can't depend on this foundation for the whole entire day without touching up. But if you don't mind touching up, then by all means go for it. I personally love this foundation only because I've been looking for a dewy finish, demi-matte if you will. Since the blush is also a cream, it also got oily, so basically my whole face is an oily mess. But that's also because I haven't touched up or anything. If I'm just like going to the grocery store, just running little tiny baby errands, then I'll wear this because it's not bad for your skin. Well, not that bad for your skin. And yeah, it will last you a couple hours. Or actually, if I need a foundation that's gonna last me a long time, then I'll just go back to my matte foundations, but that's only because of my type of skin. If you have dry skin, this foundation will be amazing for you. The foundation is very buildable, as you saw. I did turn to full coverage with my glasses. Some of it came off here from kissing my husband. My nose got off. Probably scratched myself right there, so that came off as well. As for my pores, the side where I put the pore filler, of course it isn't as bad, but you are starting to see them. But the part where I didn't put the pore filler, it's pretty bad. So yeah, definitely use a pore filler with this makeup. If you do not like getting super oily, do not get this foundation. If you don't mind, or if you're dry skin, or if you're going to touch up throughout the day, then go ahead, girl, because this is really good. It's hydrating, it's buildable. You can even put less. Maybe it's because I put too much, I don't know. The blush did last me these couple of hours. If the blush comes off after I wear it with a different foundation for a long period of time, then I'll let you know, because yeah, the oil, I love that oil. That oil is the best. I guess this concludes my video. Make sure to watch my eyebrow tutorial. I'll put the little link right here. Sorry guys, I'm just really tired right now. Don't forget, I post every Monday and Thursday now, so I guess I'll see you on Monday. And just like in any other video, don't forget to subscribe and press on the notification bell. And thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.